Get paid to watch ads, read content, share, and write your stories. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, you can start earning by creating your account. The minimum withdrawal amount is $25. Additionally, just by signing up, you get a bonus. As you scroll down the site, you'll notice a get bonus offer where you earn points immediately upon account creation. To create an account, click on the sign up option. On the registration page, enter your email and click on register. Then complete a simple capture verification by selecting the appropriate images. Once done, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your email, click the verification link, and your account will be ready to use. As soon as you log in, you will get a notification about your sign up bonus of 5,000 points, equivalent to a few dollars. Keep in mind, 1,000 points equal $1. Now that your account is set up, you can start earning money in different ways. First, you can earn by reading articles. On the main page, you will find various articles. Simply open one and you will get points for reading. For every article you read, you earn 5 points. You can also earn extra points by sharing articles on social media like Twitter or leaving comments. For example, write a simple comment, submit it, and you'll earn additional points. Another earning method is sharing and reposting content. Simply click on the share option, share the provided posts, and you'll earn points. Additionally, there's a unique method involving product testing and reviews. Search for offers in the provided search bar, test the offers, write reviews, and get paid for each review. For instance, search for mobile, explore the related websites, and complete the tasks to earn more. You can also earn by referring others. Share your referral link with friends and family and earn points for every successful sign up through your link. Plus, there's an option to write stories, giving you another way to earn. Lastly, let's talk about payouts. You need a minimum of 2,500 points, $25, to withdraw your earnings. Reaching this target is achievable within a short time if you dedicate just an hour daily to the site. You can view your earnings under the points and ranks section, where details about your progress and bonuses are displayed. This platform offers multiple ways to earn effortlessly. If you're consistent, you can make a decent amount daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enable notifications so you don't miss more tips like this. See you in the next video.